That's it. 10,000 Easter eggs on the field, 10,000 Easter eggs gone. No leftovers, nothing left for me. We want to thank everybody for coming out. Tara Krieg of the TK team.
Hi guys. Thanks, Rob.
Kyle Davis, Heritage Academy.
Thanks for coming.
Thank you so much again for helping us host this event.
You guys
Another
have
great
been
event.
amazing.
It was an
Yes.
exciting day if you missed it.
Oh, yes. If you missed it, come out next year. We're going to do it again and even better.
Heritage Academy has been a fantastic partner. Great American Title, Lexi, thank
Hey
you.
everyone. Oh, it was so much fun.
And we want to thank the Easter Bunny too.
Woo!
We'll do this again next year. Happy Easter.
Happy Easter!
Easter!